The Haxnicks Grower Frame is a tall growing space that helps gardeners without a greenhouse to successfully grow a wide range of crops. The frame is easy to assemble and can be positioned wherever you want to grow your crops, either directly on your vegetable plot or elsewhere in the garden, such as on your patio, where it can house grow bags, planters, pots, and seed trays. The frame is made from tubular, black, powder-coated steel rods that slot together easily. To assemble the grower frame, first attach the rods of the base together with the joining pieces provided. Then slot in the curved pieces to give you a sturdy, rust-resistant 3 meter by 1 meter frame. Once the frame is assembled, secure it to the ground using the pegs provided. If it is sited on a patio or an area of hard standing that is well protected from wind, then you may not need to secure the frame at all, but if it is exposed to windy conditions, then you should use the alternative fixings provided, which can be fixed directly to paving, concrete, or decking. The sturdy framework is then ready for the cover to be fitted. There's a choice of 2 covers available, a weather protection cover and a Micromesh pest protection cover. The weather protection cover is made from heavy-duty, clear polythene for robust weather and pest protection and an enhanced growing environment. It creates a really cost-effective mini greenhouse which retains warmth and humidity to promote quicker growth. The cover fits snugly over the grower frame and has 4 large side zips for easy access to your plants. Unfold the cover and drape it over the frame, then draw it down until it's snug. Open the zips and fasten the cover to the frame using the hook and loop fabric fixings around the base. This may take a few minutes, but it's necessary to ensure the cover fits well and stays in place during harsh weather. Ventilation is controlled using the insect-proof ventilation flaps at either end. You can raise seedlings, take cuttings, and grow young plants from plugs. The grower frame will allow you to start gardening a lot earlier in the year, and means you don't have to have seed trays on every windowsill of your house. It also means that you can start crops that need a long growing season, such as melons, nice and early. To swap between the 2 covers, simply remove the weather cover and fit the pest cover in its place. The grower pest protection cover is made from Haxnicks award-winning Micromesh for protection from insects including aphids, carrot fly, cabbage root fly, and other airborne pests. The ultrafine Micromesh allows air and water to easily pass through, whilst protecting plants from scorching and other weather damage. It makes growing tall plants like broad beans easy. The cover protects them from pests and harsh weather and can be easily unzipped to harvest your crop. If you don't have a greenhouse, then the grower system is an inexpensive way to gain the space you need to start gardening earlier in the year. The Haxnicks Grower Frame, another great product from Haxnicks.